Welcome to our ELA lesson. Here we go. Get ready. Say the sight words with me. Are, is, me, girl, friend, he, want, my, boy. Find the word my. My. Find the word are. Are. Find me. Me. Find want. Want. Find is. Is. Find friend. Friend. Find he. He. Find boy. Boy. Find girl. Girl. Now let's use our words to complete our sentences. Tom is my best friend. Tom is my best friend. What word goes here? Is it are, is, or my? My. Tom is my best friend. We are going to go outside. We are going to go outside. What word goes here? Is it my, are, is? Are. We are going to go outside. Today is a great day. Today is a great day. What word goes here? Is it me, is, or are? Is. Today is a great day. Tom sits by me at school. Tom sits by me at school. What word goes here? My, me, is. Me. Tom sits by me at school. Let's read our story. Our story today is Sam is Sensible. Can you point to the title of the story? Sam is sensible. Let's start reading and point along with me. Bojo was so happy to be at school. Bojo did not know that dogs cannot go to school. He wagged and wagged his tail. Bojo did not know that he was at school. I did not want to be in trouble, and I did not want my dog to be in trouble. I saw my friend Tom watching Bojo. What is the sensible thing to do now? I thought, and I knew exactly what I was supposed to do. I walked Bojo over to Tom and said, Tom, this is my dog Bojo. This really is my dog Bojo. I think Bojo and I are in trouble. Tom, will you please hold Bojo so I can go to the school office? Tom held Bojo while I went to the school office. I asked the office secretary if I could use the telephone. Then I called my dad. I thought that was a sensible thing to do. I said, Dad, this is Sam. I need you to come to school to get my dog. And my dad came to school and took Bojo home. My dad is also very sensible. Now let's answer some questions about the story. Bojo was so happy to be at school. Bojo was happy, but where was he? Was he at the vet, at home, or at school? At school. I saw my friend Tom watching Bojo. Who was Tom watching? Was it Bojo, girl, or Sky? Bojo! I thought, and then I knew exactly what I was supposed to do. Who knew exactly what she was supposed to do? Was it Tree, Tom, or Sam? Sam! Sam. I asked the office secretary if I could use the telephone. What did Sam ask the office secretary to use? Was it a computer, a telephone, or an iPad? Telephone! Now let's go over our letter sounds. Say the sounds with me. A, S, T, F, O, E, M. Find O. O. Find F. Find A. A. Find T. T. Find S. S. Find M. M. Find Find A. Now let's find the first sound in words. What is the first sound in Oz? Is it O or T? O. What is the first sound in Am? Is it S or A? A. What is the first sound in Mam? Is it M or T? M. What is the first sound in Fit? Is it F or S? Let's say the words together. Apple, sink, baby, omelet. Which one starts with O? Omelet starts with O. Goat, ant, dog, tie. Which word starts with A? Ant. We're looking for a word that starts with M. Is it sandwich, pizza, mail, or cap? What word starts with M? Mail. We're looking for a word that starts with F. Is it ring, fish, ox, or goat? Which one starts with F? Fish. Now let's say each sound in a word. Say it with me. A, M. Your turn. A, M. Next one. Say it with me. These are the sounds for the word mom. O, M. Your turn. O, M. Next one. These are the sounds for the word fat. Say them with me. Th, A, T. Your turn. F, A, T. Next one says mat. Say them with me. Say the sounds. A, T. Your turn. A, T. Okay. I'm going to say some sounds, and you try to tell me what word I'm saying. Let's go over the words first. Mat, run, 10, ram, Can you find the word a? Ram. Next one. Mat, man. Mom, boat. What word am I saying? Ah, ah, Mom. Fat, jam, boat, pie. What word am I saying? A, t, th, a, t. Fat. Ram, male, sink, mat. What word am I saying? A, t, a, t. Mat. You did it!